So question number 2 says write the four terms of an AP of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Okay, so we will do like this. A is given, A1 is given, A or A1 both are the same thing, and D is given. Very simply A2 will be what? More than D more than the first term, that is 10 more than the first term, that is 10 more than the A. So it is 10 plus 10, 20. Again A3 will be 10 more than the A2, that is 20 plus 10, 30. Again A4 will be 10 more than 30, that is 40. So thus your our AP is 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So the rest questions can be done like this. Question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Again the same. You have to find the first term and the common difference. So first term is nothing any difficult task. Simply see the first term, the leftmost term, that is A3. So A is 3, first term is 3. Now the D. D is nothing but the difference of the succeeding term minus preceding term. Okay. So succeeding is 1, preceding is 3. So 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Now come to the question number 4. So question number 4 says, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. First of all, the question has 3 parts. First, check the APs if they are or not. Then, if they form, then you have to find common difference D and 3 more terms. So first of all, here it is 2, 4, 8, 16. So for checking the terms, are they in AP or not, we have to find the D in each case. That is A2 minus 7, A3 minus A2 and A4 minus A3. But we found that 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 16 minus 8 is 8. So very clearly we can get our conclusion or result that they do not form an AP. Their difference, common difference D is not same. Yes, since this is not equal, so therefore or say they do not form an AP. So this is the way you can do. You can solve the questions. Okay. So now come to the question number 11. 11 is a little bit different than the others. So I tried to solve it. See, A square, A cube and A4, A to the power 4. So D1 means to say the first common difference is A2 minus 7, that is A square minus A. So you got A under bracket A minus 1. And D2 is A3 minus A2, that is A to the power 3 means A cube minus A square. So here it is A square under bracket A minus 1. So since we can say A2 minus 7 is not equal to A3 minus A2, or you can say D1 is not equal to D2. Therefore the above terms are not in AP. Yeah. Now come to the question number 12. Here it is also under root 2, under root 8, under root 18, under root 32. So first D1 would be A2 minus 7, under root 8 minus under root 2. Yeah, we need to recall our previous knowledge about the prime factorization, about the law of exponents and powers. Okay, or third indices. If you have learned it or studied it clearly, then you could not get confused. So root 2 and under root 2. So we got root 2 as common. So in the bracket it is 2 minus 1, that is 1. So finally D1 is under root 2. But proceeding on the more, we got D2 is A3 minus A2 under root 18 minus root 8. So again we solved it and found this like this. Again we found the D2 is root 2. So D3 is also root 2. Since A2 minus A1 all are equal, or you can say D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3. Therefore the above numbers are in AP. So the next 4 terms can be evaluated like this: A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 60 and A plus 7D. So it will be A is root 2, 4 into d is root 2. So again root 2 plus 5 into root 2. Similarly, you can do the rest, and thus you can get your answer. That is, next 4 terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2 and 8 root 2. Okay, so this is the way you can do the rest on your own. I hope so.